What is your per day here?
17 hour.
17 per hour?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and then commission and tips. So
Okay.
yeah.
So, you're a student, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Hello mga ka-senior. Tayo po ngayon magpapa-check ng windshield. Kasi parang may tinamaan itong salamin itong sasakyan ko nung ginamit namin sa long driving. Patitingnan ko kung itong chip na nakita ko na-repair na o hindi pa. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung chip. Ito tsaka ito. So patitingnan natin at para totally libre lang naman yung patitingnan natin at libre lang yung papagawa dahil nag-member ako dito sa Deco windshield repair. So this is the nice guy that gonna fix my windshield.
Yep.
So did you check if I'm still a member? Because
Yeah, you are.
I get an email and
Yeah.
it said that they will renew it this May. So it was renewed, I think.
Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna grab my iPad here.
Okay.
Or my other notebooks.
So I don't know if this one, if some of these are already fixed, or I know some of these are already fixed, but that one I just noticed when I'm washing this car after our long drive. So I'll show you the whole process of how to fix this windshield. I know some of these are already fixed, but that one I think I just noticed it.
Perfect.
Can you reach it?
Yep.
I think this one is already.
Yeah, that one's been fixed.
So he drilled it with a very tiny drill bit. So dito sa pag nag-member ka is malaking menos if you are not a member, how much I will pay?
For a size like that one, it'd be like 65.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Expensive, 65
Yeah.
bucks. Membership fee is like around 40 a year, 45
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Hintay tayo ng few minutes. How much is your per day here?
17 hour.
17 per hour?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and then commission and tips. So
Okay.
yeah.
So you're a student, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Yep.
You are they are sending you on different location because the first when I saw here there's a Filipino student here that
Oh yeah.
yeah, so
Yeah, we go all over the place in Calgary, so Yeah.
This is today how we fix it, I guess. Hindi na masama yung 17 per hour sa isang estudyante. Kaya that's good kasi dito sa Canada, kahit na estudyante ka, ang hinahanap nila yung makapag part-time para sa susunod na pasukan meron silang savings na magagastos. At hindi rito uso yung bang kahit na anak ka ng may-ari, boss ka na. Dito kahit anak ka ng may-ari, kung halimbawa may business kamukha sa pinagtrabahuan ko, yung anak ng may-ari, yung apo, pumasok ding laborer namin. Sa atin kung tutuusin yung mga ganon, boss na ang dating pagkadating ng sa mga ganon. Pero dito hindi, iba sila rito. Kailangan ang kuha nila rito, mag-umpisa ka sa mababa, like yun nga, umpisa ka sa labor at estudyante pa lang naman, and then work your way going up. So maghintay muna tayo ng mga ilang minuto pa. Pinatutuyo niya, inilagay niya. Malaki rin ang kuwan ito dahil yung mga nare-repair dito kuwan naman nagtatagal naman. Lalo ito ganitong klaseng sasakyan medyo mahal ang kuwan ito, ang parts, kahit nasa big windshield lang. Tingnan natin sa loob kung ano itsura. Ganun. Yeah. Okay. Tagal-tagal din yan bago matuyo. Okay, so this is done now, and you'll just putting some I don't know what kind of
Just this resin glue. Yeah.
It's a kind of glue. So resin glue. Okay. And after a few more minutes, it's done.
That off. And then,
Okay,
yep.
okay, I'm done. Thank you.
Of course.
Ayan, tapos na. Lilinisin na lang niya. Ayan, lilinisin na lang niya yung windshield.
Alright, there you go. And then, so the iPad stuff here. So that's the chip I fixed for you today.
Okay.
And then you save $65 today building in the
Okay.
plan. I'll let you work on these 2 pages here.
What would I do? What will I do on this?
That's the tip page.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I have no money. I have no. That's
All good. I press skip there, and
Okay.
then all I need from you now is just your signature up there.
where's my
It's just right there. You just use your finger there.
oh, my finger.
Yeah.
it's not working properly.
Yeah, that's
Can I-
good enough. It's good enough. If it's on there, it's all I really need.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it, eh?
What's that?
That's it.
That is
For now,
it.
okay, thank you.
That is it. Have a
Okay,
great day.
you too.
Yeah.
Okay, pauwi na ako. Tapos na. Ako pauwi na. Natapos na yung aking pinagagawa. At ako'y kukuhan pa sa aking garden. So, yun lang mga ka-senior. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung aking vlog. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog na lang tayo uli magkita-kita.